If your global company is juggling multiple Salesforce contracts, here's what not to do, and what we fixed for a German industrial giant. This client, a multinational manufacturing group with over 50,000 employees, had 5 separate Salesforce contracts, different regions, different prices, total chaos. Salesforce came in with a solution, a big, shiny enterprise license agreement, or SELA. Sounds good, right? Except the first proposal was bloated. It double counted users, baked in products no one needed, and came with a $14 million per year price tag. We stepped in. First, we did what Salesforce didn't, a global usage inventory. Real numbers, not assumptions. We found they had 8,000 Sales Cloud users, not 10,000. Entire divisions were paying for Marketing Cloud licenses they'd never deployed. Then we built a unified negotiation team, IT, procurement, business leads, and defined exactly what the company needed, not what Salesforce was trying to sell. We stripped the shelfware, cut Tableau and Marketing Cloud out of the base deal, kept them as optional add-ons for only the units that wanted them. That alone saved millions. Next, we fought for and got real discounts, not the 20% Salesforce offered to start. We pushed with benchmarks. Outcome, 40% plus discount on core products. That's enterprise-grade pricing for an enterprise that knows its value. We also locked in 10% true down rights each year. If headcount drops, so does spend. And we baked in internal license transfer rights. If one division needs less, another can use the extra. Final result? The SELA came in at $10 million per year, down from $14 million. That's $12 million saved over 3 years. Real money, real leverage. Oh, and we capped the currency risk. No surprises if the euro shifts. The best part? The client now has global control, unified terms, and a Salesforce strategy that matches their business. No more flying blind. No more paying for someone else's shelfware. If you're staring down a bloated Salesforce renewal, get Redress Compliance in your corner. We'll help you cut waste, gain leverage, and take back control before that next quote lands.